Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by securing the scene. Find the raid center near the village and mark coordinates so you don't wander off. Make sure you're wearing good armor and carrying a shield, ranged weapon, and healing items like potions or golden apples. Once ready, move toward the first patrol or wave, prioritize isolating single illagers rather than charging the whole group, and use cover to bait enemies into chokes. This establishes control fast and lowers risk. Once you engage the raid, focus on high-threat targets first. Ravagers and evokers cause the most damage, so pull them into narrow lanes and finish them quickly. Make sure villagers are locked in houses. If not, shepherd them behind walls or lead them to safe rooms. Use water, ladders, or simple pits to slow mobs, and alternate between ranged shots and close strikes to conserve arrows and durability. Keep an eye on status effects. Remove poison or weakness as soon as possible. To finish, hunt down the evoker or remaining leaders to stop the raid's progress. Then sweep the area for stray mobs and rescue any trapped villagers. Once cleared, gather loot and rebuild or reinforce walls, lights, and an iron golem to deter future raids. If things go wrong and you're overwhelmed, withdraw to a defensible high point, heal, restock, and return with backup or a better strategy. This prevents village loss and lets you end the raid cleanly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.